Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get free Telegram stars the easiest way. So first thing, open the Telegram app, then click on settings on the bottom right corner, then scroll down until you find my stars here, click on it, then click on earn stars, this option. After that, the Telegram will show you some affiliate programs. So you can join these programs and they will give you a link that you can share with your friends or on your social media. And each one that joins this program with your link, you will get a percentage and the stars will be added to your account. So you can, for example, take any program. For example, let's choose this one, Star Miner, and click on Join Program. Then this link will be provided to you. You just copy it and you can share it with your friends now and earn free stars. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.